So welcome to my channel Iconic Learn. So in this video I am going to solve CBSE class 10 science paper, and this is set 4. I am reading the question so that you can, if you have any set paper number, you can see the question and check the answer. So as you can see, first question is state that a student took a sodium sulfate solution in a test tube and added barium chloride solution to it. He observed that an insoluble substance has formed. The color and the molecular formula of this insoluble substance is. So answer is white and barium sulfate. Now question number 2. Which of the following oxide is or are soluble in water to form alkalis? So answer is Na2O and K2O. So A. Question number 3. Question number 3 states that study the diagram given below and identify the gas formed in the reaction. So there is a zinc granule here, and it is reacted with the H2SO4. So it will form the ZnSO4 plus H2. So hydrogen is released. So answer will be hydrogen. While burning produces an popping sound. Now the question number 4. So sodium reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. The balanced equation which represents the above reaction is. So you can see that 2 sodium and 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen. So answer is B. So question number 5. Which of the options in the given table are correct? So ant sting is methanoic acid and sour milk is lactic acid. That is true. So answer is 2 and 3. So answer is C. Question number 6. The 6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives the 6CO2 plus 6H2O. So this is the respiration process equation. So answer is exothermic reaction because it releases energy. Question number 7. Which of the following statement about the reaction given below are correct? MnO4 plus 4HCl gives the MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. So in this question the answer will be C, 1 and 2 only, because the HCl is oxidized into Cl2 and MnO2 is reduced the MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2. But in the third MnCl2, the reactant side means the product cannot be stated as the oxidizing agent or oxidation. The only reactant do that. So answer is C. Select from the following statement which is true or false. True for bases. So when the drop of phenolphthalein is added, so it will turn pink. So answer is D. Now question number 9. So study the following table and choose the correct option. So answer is sodium acetate, CH3COH, parental base NaOH, and it is a basic salt. Now the question number 10. It is important to balance the chemical equation to satisfy the law of conservation of mass. Which of the following statement of the law is incorrect? So answer is the C. The chemical composition of reactant is the same before and after the reaction. Now question number 11. Question number 11 states that consider the following statement in the connection with the function of the blood vessel marked A and B in the diagram of the human heart as shown. So answer will be D, because the blood A, it carries the carbon dioxide rich blood to the lungs. So it is a pulmonary vein, and the blood vessel B is it carries the oxygen rich blood from the lungs. So it is the pulmonary. The blood vessel B is a pulmonary vein and blood vessel A is a pulmonary artery. It carries the carbon to the lungs. Okay. So question number answer is the D. Answer is D. Now 12th question. In the living organism during respiration, which of the following products are not formed if oxygen is not available? So answer is carbon dioxide and water. The correct statement with reference to single-celled organism are. Options are complex substances are not broken down into simpler substances. No. The simple diffusion is sufficient to meet the requirement of the exchange of these gases. True. Specialized tissue perform different functions in the organism. Not true. Entire surface of the organism is in the contact with the environment for taking in food. So answer will be 2 and 4, because 2 and 4 statements are correct. Now the question number 14. Which one among the following is not removed as a waste product from the body of a plant? Urea. Answer is urea. All the resins and gums are released. Dry leaves and also the excess water. Question number 15. Question number 15 states that which of the following statements are correct in reference to the role of A during a breathing cycle in human being. So A is a diaphragm, as you can see, and it flattens as we inhale. Yes, that is a true. It helps the chest cavity to become larger. So that is also true. So answer is A. Question number 16. Which one of the following condition is true for the state of stomata of a green leaf shown in the given diagram? So as the stomata is a closed, and so that means the large amount of water flows from the guard cells. 17. In which of the following is a concave mirror used? The concave mirror is used in a solar cooker because it is a converging mirror. Okay. So student wants to obtain a magnified image of an object AB as shown in the screen. Which one of the following arrangements shows the correct position of AB for him or her to be successful? So there was a confusion between C and D because D is also magnified the image, but as we know that it cannot be produced in the screen, means it cannot be because it forms at infinity. So answer will be C, that is it will form the bigger image and also produced at a screen. Now question number 19. So the following diagram shows the use of an optical device to perform an experiment of a light. As per the arrangement shown, the optical device is likely to be concave lens because it is a diverging, means it is the rays are diverging and it is a lens. So answer is B. Now question number 20. A ray of light starting from air passes through the medium A of refractive index 1.5, enters the medium B of refractive index 1.33, and finally enters medium C of the refractive index 2.42. If this ray emerges out in the air from the sieve, then for which of the following pairs of the media the bending of a light is the least? So answer is A and B because the refractive index less difference between the 1.5 and 1.33. Otherwise 1.5 and 1 is a different, 1.33 is 1 has a difference between 0.33. 2.4 and 1 is the difference of the 1.42. So answer will be A and B. So question number 21. Which of the following statement is not true for scattering light? So answer will be C only because scattering of light takes place as a various color of a white light travel with a different speed in error. So this is not a definition of a scattering of light. This is a definition of refraction of a light. So answer will be C only. Now moving on the question number 22. So question number 22 is the object is between the focus and pole. So for the diagram, the shown according to the new Cartesian sign convention, the magnification of the image form will have the following specification. So answer will be sign will be positive more than 1 because it will form virtual, and virtual magnification is a positive while the and also more than 1. Question number 23. Question number 23. So question number 23. The ray of light is incident as shown. If A, P and C are the different transparent media, then which of the among the following option is true for the diagram? So answer will be the angle equals 3 equals to angle 2. Question number 24. In the diagram given below, X and Y are the end colors of the spectrum of white light. The color of the Y represent the, so this is of course red because it, and this is violet because this is the more reflected than the red one. So answer will be color used to paint a danger signal. So Y is the red and the color used as a danger signal is a red. So question number 26. So in this question the hydrogen ion concentration should be decreasing. So if the pH value is high, the hydrogen ion concentration will be less. So the less is in the pH value highest is in the 3.676, which is 3. So answer will be C directly by seeing that only. Question number 27. So study the experimental setup shown in the given figure and choose the correct option from the following. So this is hydrochloric acid and P, we have to identify what is the P, and this is calcium hydroxide solution. So answer will be K2CO3 potassium carbonate because if we see this option C1 KHCO3 hydrogen is released, hydrogen is not released because it turns milky. So with the releasing of hydrogen, the calcium hydroxide solution will not turn milky. And here there is a no change, means there is a CO2 gas, okay, the any acid react with the any metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, it produces CO2 gas and water. But due to the CO2 gas, it doesn't change the calcium hydroxide color. So answer will be D only, which satisfy all the condition. Question number 28. The question number 28 I will be solving afterwards because I have a doubt in this question. You can also answer this question in the comment box. After some time I will also upload this answer in the comment. I will pin the question. So to question number 29, the pair which will show the displacement reaction is R. So NaCl solution with the copper metal? No, because NaCl is more reactive than copper, of course you know. And AgNO3, the solution in copper solution metal. So copper will displace silver because copper is more reactive than the silver. And Al2SO4 thrice solution and magnesium sulfate metal. So if you know the mnemonic of the reactivity series, so please stop calling me. So me is the magnesium and A is the aluminium. So magnesium is more reactive than the aluminium, so it will displace the aluminium. ZnSO solution with the iron. So iron is not more reactive than zinc, so answer will be B, 2 and 3. So now on the question number 30. So question number 30 states that which of the following salts do not have the water of crystallization? So bleaching powder CaOCl2, which do not have the water of crystallization. Baking soda has a chemical equation name is NaHCO3, which also don't have the water of crystallization, so answer will be 1 and 4. Question number 31 answer will be sodium hydrogen carbonate is used as an ingredient in antacid, and HCO3 is the mild non-corrosive basic salt. So both are correct option, and reason is also correct because it states that it is a basic. That's why it is used as antacids. So answer is A. Now question number 32, burning of a natural gas in endothermic process. No, it is not endothermic process, it is exothermic process. Methane gas combines with the oxygen to produce the carbon dioxide in water. So this is correct. So answer will be D. Now question number 33. Question number 33 states that nitrogen is an essential element for the plant growth and is taken up by the plants in the form of inorganic nitrates or nitrates. Okay, this is correct. Soil is the nearest and richest source of raw material like nitrogen, phosphorus and other minerals for the plants. So both the assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct because if the soil is rich of the nitrogen, it doesn't mean that the plant has to take only. Means soil is rich of SiO2 also, so do the plant is taking that? So the reason is not correct, means reason is not the correct of assertion, so answer will be B, but both the statements are correct. 34, the sun appears red. Okay, wait, this answer I have wrote wrong. Answer is C, because the sun appears red is at the time of the sunrise and sunset, so this is true, while the reason is false. Question number 35. Hydrochloric acid helps in the digestion of food in the stomach. Hydrochloric acid creates an acidic medium to activate the protein digestive enzyme. So answer will be A, because the hydrochloric acid helps in digestion. This is the true statement, because it activates the enzyme called the pepsin, so it helps in the digestion. So indirectly HCl also helps in digestion too. So answer will be A. A student was asked to write a stepwise procedure to demonstrate that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. He wrote the following step. The wrongly worded step is: so both the potted plants are kept in the dark room at least 3 days. So this is correct statement. Both bottom of the bell jar is sealed to make them airtight, which is also true statement, so that air cannot comes from outside. Both the potted plants are kept in a sunlight after starts test. What is the point of keeping the plant out after the stars is in the sunlight after the stars test? Because the test was of the starch only, means if the carbon dioxide is not there, so will the starch formation would be there or not? So there is no point of keeping there in the sunlight after the starch test. So answer is C, and D answer is C. So how can D be the answer? So question number 37. Respiratory structure of two different animals, a fish and a human being, are as shown. Observe A and B and select one characteristic that holds true for them. So both are placed internally in the body of animals, so it is wrong. Alveoli is in internal of the human body, but the gills are outside. You can see in the fish. So answer will be both have a thin and moist surface for gaseous exchange. So to get the more gas, means for to be a more permeable and for getting the more oxygen or CO2. So it should be thin and moist. So answer is B. Now question number 38. Observe the diagram of an activity given below. What does it help to conclude when the person exhales into the test tube? So the carbon dioxide is releasing in the lime water, so it is turning white. So the percentage of the carbon dioxide is more in exhaled air. Option A states that percentage of carbon dioxide more in inhaled gas. We are not inhaling, means inhaling it is the same as air. And fermentation occurs in the presence of, no, of course not. There is no relation between that. And fermentation occurs in the presence of, it is also wrong because there is no relation with this. So percentage of the carbon dioxide is more in exhaled air. So this is the true statement. Question number 39 states that if a lens, sun rays at a point 20 centimeter away from its optical center, the power of the lens is so you have to find the power of the lens, and the 1 upon 20, so 100 upon 20 in centimeters, so 5 is the answer, plus 5. Question number 14. The radius of the curvature of a converging mirror is 30 centimeter. At what distance mirror should an object be placed so that is to object obtain a virtual image? So of course the curvature is 30 centimeter, so f will be 15 centimeter. And to obtain a virtual image in the convex mirror, in the concave mirror, it should be between the pole and the focus length. So pole from these, so answer will be D, between 0 centimeter and 15 centimeter. 41. The length of a small intestine in a deer is more as compared to the length of the small intestine of a tiger. The reason for this is the type of the food consumed, because the food consumed is different. Carnivore food consumption is the meat and that stuff, and in the vegetarian means the herbivores. So type of food consumed is different in the different animals. So question number 42. Identify the two components of phloem tissue that help in the transportation of food in the plant. So answer is sieve tubes and companion cell. I think it is the question of the 9th standard, but answer is a B. The converging lens forms 3 times the magnified image of an object which can be taken on a screen. If the focal length of the lens is 30 centimeter, then the distance of the object from the lens is, so m, the magnification of 3 times. So in the screen, when the focal length is 30 centimeter and the converging lens, okay, so converging lens means the convex lens, and convex lens has the focal length positive, and then the distance of the object from the lens, okay, so which can be taken on the screen. So it is the real image, so m is negative, so m is minus 3. So there is a formula for finding this. So m equals to f upon f plus u. So f is the 30 and 30 plus u is equals to minus 3. So minus 90 minus 3u, minus 90 and 60, 3u, wait, it will be plus, and then the 90, it will be minus only, so minus 3. So 90, 30 equals to minus 90 minus 3u. So it will go there and it will become 120 upon 3 equals to u. So 40, and it will be negative because u is negative here. So answer is u equals to minus 40 centimeter. So it was easy question, directly formula based question. Now question number 44. Question number 44 states that which of the following statement is not a true in the reference to the diagram shown above. So if you see that it is in the curvature, so it will form here only, my diagram is not good, so it will be equal size and the image will be real, image will be equal size and the image formed is inverted. So only B is not satisfying the statement because it is not enlarged, it is equal. Question number 45. In the diagram shown above, N1, N2 and N3 are effective indices of the media 1 and 2 and 3 respectively. Which one of the following is true in this case? So as you know that the N1 is less than N2 because it is moving towards the normal. If it is moving away from the normal, it would be the N1 is bigger than N2, but it is moving towards the normal, so answer N2 is bigger than N1. Now same with the case N2 and N3. N3 is bigger because it is moving, the ray refracted ray is moving towards the normal. So the if N3 is greater than N2, so of course the N3 will be greater than N1. So answer is D. For question number 46, the refractive index of medium 1, a medium A is the 1.5 and that of a medium B is a 1.33. If the speed of a light in air is a 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, what is the speed of a light in the medium A and B? So this question was also formulas based question. If we solve this question, so 1.5 is equals to 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon VA. We can write the speed of the medium A in the as a VA. So it will be 2, and so VA will be equals to 2 into 10 raised to power 8. So option A and D satisfy this question. So we have to find VB. VB will be 1.33, means 1.33 is the answer. So 3 into 10 raised to power 8. So we have to do 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 upon 1.33. So when we divide 3 by 1.33, if we divide here 300 upon 133, so directly we can see that by 2 it is set is 34. So it is cutting from 2 only, so answer will be D, because then it will be 2.5. So answer is D. Question number 47. An object of height 4 cm is kept at a distance of 430 cm. From the pole of the diverging mirror, if the focal length of the mirror is 10 cm, the height of the image formed is. So we have to find the height of the image formed. So M is equals to HI. M is the height of the image. Height of the image we don't know yet. Height of the object is 4 cm, and it is a lens or mirror. It is a lens. So F upon and the height of the image. So when we have given anything else, the focal length. Okay, we have given the focal length and the object distance is at 430 cm. So F upon F plus U, that is 40. So we'll 1 by 4. HI will equals to 1. Now question number 48. 50 ml of the tap water was taken in the absence in the beaker. Hydrochloric acid was added drop by drop to the water. The temperature and pH of the solution was noted. The following graph was obtained. Choose the correct statement related to this activity. So it states this process of dissolving an acid in the water is highly endothermic. Of course, no, it is an exothermic reaction. The pH of solution increases rapidly on the addition of acid. Addition of the acid decreases the pH level. All know that the pH of the solution decreases rapidly on the addition of acid. That is true. The pH of a tap water was around 7, so that is also true. So answer will be 3 and 4. Now section C. In the many because set number is different, so question is just jumbled, not that question are different. So if the question are different, so take this video as a detailed solution of the set number 4. So the question states that a student took 4 metals P, Q and R and S and carried out a different experiment to study the properties of a metal. Some of the observation were all metals could not be cut with a knife except R. So R can be cutted. So R can be sodium and potassium. So metal P combined with oxygen to form an oxide M2O3. So directly we all know that Al2O3 is the famous one, which reacted with both acid. Okay, so it is Al2O3 is amphoteric oxide also. So P is the aluminium. Reaction with the water. Okay, so reaction with the water. The P did not react with either with cold or hot water. So by this statement we can confirm it is aluminium only. Question means Q reacted with the hot water and metal started floating. So wait, it started floating. So that means it is the sodium. Then the S. Okay, sorry, it is a Q. Okay, it is a Q. So metal started floating is magnesium, and it could not be cut, so that's why it doesn't make him sodium. R reacted violently with cold water. So it is a chaotic sodium or potassium. S did not react with the water at all. So it is a silver or the gold. We can anything. It is a silver or gold or platinum. So question states that out of which of the given metal the one needs to be stored and used in kerosene. So R was the sodium or potassium and they should be stored in the kerosene so to prevent any reaction. So in 50 out of the given metal the Q is so magnesium. Q is the magnesium because it reacted with the water and it reacted means then it reacted with the hot water and form the bubbles around the that element which makes him float. So this is the magnesium only. Metal which forms the amphoteric oxide is a P means Al2O3. The increasing order of reactivity series of four metal is so sodium is the more reactive one, so R is the at last, so our answer is C. The figure shown below represent a common type of dialysis called as hemodialysis. It removes the waste product from the blood such as the excess salts and urea which are insufficiently removed by the kidney in patients with the kidney failure. During the procedure, the patient's blood is cleaned by the filtration through a series of a semi-permeable membrane before being returned to the blood of the patient. On the basis of this, answer the following question. The hemodialyzer has a semi-permeable lining of the tubes which helps to this helps to filter nitrogenous waste from the dialysing solution. They just told in this paragraph only, so we don't have to think for any other clue or option. Question number 54. Which one of the following is not a function of artificial kidney? So artificial kidney doesn't absorb essential nutrients like the tubules. Tubule absorb the essential nutrients like sodium, potassium, any other thing. So it to reabsorb essential nutrient from the blood is not the function of artificial kidney. The use of a dialysing solution is rich in the used dialysing solution. So as it is a use, so I think that the urea and excess salt will be more because the kidney function is to excrete the urea and excess salt. So used dialysis would be rich in the urea and excess salt. Which part of the nephron in a human kidney serves the function of the reabsorption of the? I just told it is a tubule, and to be more specific, it is a proximal convoluted tubule. Case 3. A compound microscope is an instrument which consists of two lenses L1 and L2. The lens L1 called objective forms a real and inverted and magnified image of the given object. This serves as the objective for the second lens L2. The eyepiece. The eyepiece functions like a simple microscope or a magnifier. It produces the final image which is inverted with respect to the original object, enlarged and virtual. So what type of lenses must be L1 and L2? So L1 is clearly convex lens. L2 as it is forming the virtual and enlarged which cannot be formed by the concave lens. So answer will be both convex. What is the value and the sign of magnification according to the new Cartesian sign convention of the image formed by L1? So value would be less than 1 because value will be more than 1 because and the sign will be negative because it is forming the enlarged image and it is a real image, so sign will be negative. What is the value and a sign? Okay, so answer will be more than 1 and positive because it is forming a virtual image and also magnified. So question number 16, which is the last question. Answer is 16 centimeter. It is easy because the power of the lens is the 5 diopters and it forms an image at a distance of 80 centimeter from its optical center. At a vast distance should be the object. You can just deduce by diopter equals to 5 means power is equals to 1 by f. Then you can solve this question easily. So I solved this paper and this was the last question of set number 4. You can if you have another set paper, it might be the question will be jumbled or other. If the question are different, then consider this paper as a detailed solution of set number 4. And also I am going to solve all the question papers of all the subject of this board exam. So next video will be of the mathematics solution, and also I maybe would be solving the question number means the sample paper of the mathematics for practice. So thanks for watching. Bye.